Hello everyone, in today's Explain Why series, we are going to understand the reason behind why second heart sound has a higher frequency than the first heart sound. That is, the second heart sound S2 will have a higher frequency than the S1. So let's try to understand the reason behind it. So what is the second heart sound? The second heart sound is produced by the semi-lunar valves. That is the aortic valve and the pulmonary valve. Whereas the first heart sound is produced by the AV valve, that is the atrioventricular valve. The structure of the valves itself is completely different, and the tautness of the semilunar valve, that is they are more stiff of the semilunar valve, is one of the reasons why it has ability to produce a higher frequency of the sound. And next reason is, whenever these valve closes, what happens is the vibrating chamber that is creating the S2, that is the aorta and the pulmonary valve. And aorta has a higher elastic coefficient, that is the elastic nature of the aorta is much higher than in comparison to that of the ventricular chamber, which acts as a vibrating chamber for the first heart sound. So the reason number one is the valve itself is taut. Second, the vibrating chamber has higher elastic coefficient, and because of these two reasons, the S2 heart sound has higher frequency in comparison to that of the S1. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see in the next video. Thank you so much.